We are glad to announce a series of our activities in our Putturing constituency. One of the activity will be our health camp. We have done a lot of health camps, but we are now seeing that we are two things we want to achieve by doing these camps. One is to see that more people are benefited, and second, we have we have better facilities available. So we would call upon people to take this opportunity and take advantage of the camp. We have got eye specialist Dr. Nisha Bandodkar. We have got chest and allergy specialist Dr. Nupur Kulkarni. We have got child specialist Dr. Roshan Maskaranis. We have got gynecologist and infertility specialist Dr. Emmanuel Gracias. We have Dr. Peter Savivas, plastic surgeon. We have got Malaika Prabhudesai, dentist. We have got Dr. Melanie Piris, who is a physiotherapist. Dr. Dennis Rodriguez, who is a homeopath. Dr. Jolene Fernandez, who is a nutritionist. Now we have got these doctors. We have made good arrangements for any number of people that come. We have distributed pamphlets. We have gone live also to see and for booking of appointments. We are trying to have a bone density camp. We are trying to have allergy test center. We will be able to take a test, and we are planning to have something in. We have to have something in gynecology too. Now we are trying to have the specialized tests too. We are looking forward because we have to get permissions, and we have to get the systems, the gadgets from outside Goa. So that's why we have the plan, and we are looking forward to having it because the time is short. Now we have taken this opportunity to have it in Raia this time at the Panchayat Hall. It will be between 9:30 to 1, and it is initiative of the Reginaldo Trust, and we have seen to it that most of the people have been approached. Now we are taking this opportunity to have it on your channels and on your esteemed newspapers. We will be having strictly by appointments. Whoever comes first, whoever makes an appointment will be first, and whoever comes first will be taken second in line appointments. Now we have we will have those people those who want to tell us in advance can always book in advance and call us and take appointments. We have got we are trying to have some lab tests done, which is on the spot test we are trying to give. That also we are trying to have this facility. We are trying to have ultrasounds, CT scan with we are trying to have some discount for all these MRIs and all items that are all these tests. So basically we look forward in having a lot of people from not only Raia, Rashol, Kamoli, as well as Putturing for all our constituency. But then we cannot say no to others who come from outside. We will be having this camp on 25th, that is on Sunday, from 9:30 to 1.
Any medicines?
Medicines, depends. We are trying to give a discount on the medicines because we have had camps before, and we have given this facility.